more economical for fuel.
Ah,
So cold air is 82% from the fan is the power.
82% of cold
Cold air. from the
air.
fan.
Ah,
It's not that the jet doesn't provide all that. Most of the power comes from the fan.
yes,
It's just like a propeller.
yes.
So that's better for fuel economy.
Ah,
Better for fuel.
yeah, yeah.
You can fill all the fuel tanks with that up there, single point.
They fuel tank.
Because there's most fuels in the wings, even the horizontal wing up, tail up there, got fuel.
Yes.
And belly tank, 216,000 litres.
Wow,
You
216.
1,000 litres, you can fill it all from that point. This would be a pump truck and the fuel would be under the ground.
Ah, yeah. So how many bikes fuel bikes? 1, 2?
How many tanks?
Yeah, how many?
No, a lot.
Lot.
There's 3 or 4 in each wing. There's a belly tank, there's tanks in the tail,
Ah,
horizontal tail.
yes.
So
Yes. 200.
16,000 litres.
Wow, 260.
So that's 50,000 litres.
Ah,
So 4 of those and more.
yes. Very heavy. Wow.
So yes, when it's take off, it's
What is that? It's a
a little simulator type thing. That's what
Wow.
the cockpit looks like this.
this engine of airplane.
They're the flaps.
Flap.
The flaps on the wings. The wings have flaps that come down the front and out the back.
Yes.
And they, for takeoff, the flaps come down at the back to increase the surface of the wing
Yes.
and get more lift.
Like when they fly, this one should be like this.
This comes back when they're flying. This one does it. That's a good picture. Not a good picture. No. All
So
aircraft have flaps, so you put them down for takeoff to make the wing bigger to get more lift,
yes.
and then you retract them when you get airborne.
So when they fly on the sky, this one straight.
Yeah, no, it goes back in here.
Ah,
Should do. Okay.
maybe.
So this one here is the French designed Dassault Mirage jet fighter. We had those before we had our F-18 fighters, and then the F-18s are now retired and they've got the F-35. But we flew these ones
Yeah.
in Australia.
This one for the war.
It's an Air Force
Air
jet
Force.
fighter, twice the speed of sound.
Oh, it's still light. Still light. Still have light.
That's just for show.
For showing.
Yes, show the cylinder. These are 9 cylinders.
Oh.
That's an engine, 9 cylinders. Each cylinder 3 litres plus.
Yeah.
And there's 18 of them,
Wow.
2 banks 9, and they're on this plane here.
9 cylinder.
They're nice.
1, 2, 3,
No,
4.
there's 9 here and 9 there, all the way around.
18.
18. And there's 4 on this plane.
Oh. So every plane have to
No.
that machine.
No, all the engines are different.
This
This one had the big engines because of the old airplane.
Wow.
This has only got 14.
14. Wow. 14 cylinders. Wow, very big. Wow.
This plane flies, so they're working on it. It goes flying, that plane.
Wow. Very massive.
These ones are bigger.
Oh.
These ones are bigger because they're 18 cylinders, they're 14.
Oh.
One, but
For military.
this was, but Qantas had these for civilian.
Yeah.
Okay. Military always has them as well.
Oh, there's some. So, what is tank?
Water tank?
Water tank. For the whole
No,
aircraft.
I don't know. Probably just for there.
Ah.
This aeroplane was in the. Have you heard of any places in America? This is a military graveyard for aeroplanes
Oh.
in Tucson, Arizona.
Oh.
They had 4,000 planes one stage. And they keep them there until they don't want them anymore.
Oh.
Then they cut them up for saucepans and things. This is where this one was.
Why they build too many? Eh?
This one was there.
Ah.
The Mao people,
Yes.
that's what it looked like.
Cockpit.
Because it was in there waiting to be cut up for saucepans and scrap metal.
Yeah.
But our people found it and restored it to this and flew it back.
Yeah, yes.
And it's still flying.
Yeah.
Now those big 18-cylinder engines use a lot of oil, so when we go away we take oil with us
Oh.
because it
Like-
uses a lot.
Ah, yes. There are two sheets on each side. Yeah, and what it is? Wow. This one.
So that's say it still flies, so we have a
Ah.
crew in there.
Yes. Wow. Crew under aircraft in the war. Yeah, too many things.
So this
Well,
was
too many
one
functions.
in the American Air Force, so it's not very. Altimeter.
Can you tell a little bit?
Oh, well, all aircraft have altimeters to tell you how high you are. You have
Ah,
direction finding compasses,
yeah.
various things.
Yes.
Your rate of climb, possibly, your compass,
Campus.
and your angle of attack type thing. They're just all normal instruments in aircraft. They just get more modern, that's all.
Oh, too many. Voice, range.
Well, that's just direction finding. Well, these are all very old things. That's how they used to. So they'd have to select radio beacons to tune into and find out where they were.
And I think the quality of this material is really good because it's still working.
Oh, well, it's very old. Isn't
Very
it?
old.
Yeah.
But really,
Oops.
yeah, this one for cooking. Yeah, the gas stove. I don't know. Kitchen. I don't know how they use gas or
No, electric. All electric.
electric.
No gas on airplane.
They use electric to cook. Yes. Yeah, the stair going up or going down. Yeah, to manage planes and aircraft.
So what nationality are you? Spotted Vietnamese refugee boat.
Oh.